Those are my people. Shall I not say men are monopolous in nature? But still, our women don't want to understand, say, men, we are monopolous in nature. Monopolous in nature. Is it monopolous? I'm not sure. Men are monopolous. Men are men are fantastic in nature. Men are monopolous in nature. Men are monopolous in nature. No. Come, Coco. You know that thing they talk say men are monopolous in nature. You self, you don't know. Olodo. See this one, they give you money, make you go school. You carry and go the follow Olosho. Men are polous in nature. No. Waiting, I want to talk, eh? You know that thing they talk say men go marry more than one wife. That thing, man fit marry more than one wife. Now that thing, men are monopolous in nature. Man fit marry more than one wife. Now that thing I dey talk. Okay, now if you know that in name, you put am for the comment section. Put am for the comment section. Thank you.